Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Alexander Shard. Your journey begins in Limgrave, where you'll find Alexander, the Iron Fist, stuck in a large crater. Approach him and speak to him. To free him, simply hit his back with any weapon. He will thank you and move on, marking the first step of his quest line. Next, you'll find Alexander in Gale Tunnel, stuck once more. Help him out again by hitting his back. After this, he'll appear at Redmayne Castle in Caelid, ready for Radon's festival. Speak with him there before and after the boss fight to progress his story. These steps are crucial for his journey. Your next encounter with Alexander takes you to MT, Gelmir. Look for him near the Magma Worm boss arena, where he'll be relaxing in a pool of lava. Engage in conversation with him at this unique location. He'll share some insights and prepare you for the final stages of his quest, bringing you closer to your goal. The final step of Alexander's quest takes place in Crumbling Farum Azula. You'll find him on a floating platform, ready for a final duel. Engage him in combat, and upon his defeat, he will drop the coveted Alexander Shard. This powerful talisman significantly boosts your skill damage, a worthy reward for your efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.